tally charts. Tally charts are a really helpful way when conducting surveys to jot down how many people like certain things. Now we can see here that we represent the tallies with these little dashes. And then we can work out what the frequency is once we've finished our survey. So in this case, somebody would complete this tally column, and after they finish their survey, they would then jot down how many of each tally they have. So for horror, we have 3 dashes, so the frequency is 3. Action has 5, 6, 7 dashes, so the frequency is 7. And you can see here that once we get to 1, 2, 3, 4, we put a line through the 5th to make a gate, which makes it much easier to count, particularly if we've got large amounts of numbers. So here we can recognise straight away that this means 5. Let's have a look. So, my turn. Jackie writes down the colours of the cars in a car park. Here is the list. Lots of different cars and lots of different colours. She needs to sort this data, and we're going to choose to do that in a tally chart. And we start off one by one, crossing one out. So I have red, so I put a dash in red. Silver, dash in silver. Black, dash there. Blue, and notice each time I cross one out, I put the dash in to make sure I don't miss any. Here I've reached 5, so I put a cross through to make the gate. I've completed my tally. I can now look to see what my frequency would be. So for red, I have 4. For black, I have 1. For blue, I have 3. For green, I have 2. And for silver, I have 6. I can add these values up to make sure I've included them all. So we can see here that I have 4 pieces of information there and 4 information there, which means there should be 16 altogether. Let's check to make sure our frequency adds up to 16. So I have 4 plus 1 gives me 5, plus 3 gives me 8, plus 2 gives me 10, plus 6 gives me 16. So I've included all of my information. Press pause while you try the your turn question. Your turn. Here is a list of coins in Yvonne's purse. We have a mixture of coins and our tally table is already set up. We're going to have a look. We've got 5p. Remember, each time I cross one out, I add the tally mark to make sure I include them all. You'll sometimes be asked to do this when you are drawing a bar chart, and you do the tally chart first to make sure you've collected the information correctly before you draw it. Okay, so now we're going to do our frequencies. So we can see that 1 pence, we have 2 of them. 2 pences, 3. 5 pences, 7. 10 pence, 1. 20 pence, 1. 50 pence, 2. And £1, we have 4 of them. We can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 times by 4 means we have 20 coins altogether. Let's check to see if our frequency adds up to 20. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. 13, 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. So we've checked to see if we've included all of our information.